Went ahead and got my quick hitch I bought hooked up on the 588. Well, really on the 105, but set up for the 588. I need to get the Cat 3 adapter so it fits in there a little tighter. That sucker's heavy and it's hot out here, so picking that thing up was a chore. I had to use a farm jack to pick the thing up, but it looks like it'll clear. Even the center hook is removable should clear on the plow, and it wasn't too hard to back up to it and just scoop it right up. Fell right in. So hopefully once this field dies off and I mow it off, maybe I can get some fall tillage done with this thing. I believe it's a case, not International Harvester, but a case quick hitch. So, and it is reversible. It looks like it's set up. It's got to be a Category 2 setup, but I think it can go to a Cat 3 if you flip the width on there. I mean, the pins that go on the hitch were Cat 2, and they went right in. I'm gonna get them adapters they sell to make this slightly bigger so it fits on a Cat 3 hole. But yeah, it scooped it right up. Now I got to see if it fits on the sprayer, the blade. It should work on the sickle bar. It might be a little too tight for that little thing. That's why I put Cat 2 pins on there to see if it would fit better. But the biggest thing is I wanted it for this, so it's easier to hook up to that thing. So I got to get a new rear wheel bearing on this too, because when I brought it over here, my dad was following me and he said he could hear it chirping. So that needs to come apart and get a new wheel bearing in it. And then this has got that Oliver, I'm pretty sure this was an Oliver plow that they painted red, or at one point it was an Oliver and then it became a white. But it's got the Oliver electro-hydraulic thing on there. Yeah, the iron's all gone for it now. So, but yeah, it looks like it'll work all right. I was worried it wasn't going to fit because the first time I tried to put it up there with just picking up my dad's loader, the pins didn't work. I'm like, well, they're too small. And once I did some research, all these quick hitches, the holes are Cat 3s. So that should snug it up. So like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I can show a video of this thing working here in the near future.